Hello everyone, this video is first part of the series for conditional formatting in Excel. In this video, we will study about highlight cell rules. Please do subscribe the channel, share with your friends and support. So let's begin. You will get conditional formatting in Home tab, conditional formatting. There are set of predefined rules and even we can create our own rules. At first we will go through these predefined rules, then we will move on to custom ones. So we'll start with highlight cell rules. Here we have taken age and mark for some students. Suppose we need to highlight marks which are greater than 20. Then we have to select the range, click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than. In the value field, we will give 20. Then those cells which have values greater than 20 in the selected range will get highlighted with the format which is given here. If you need to give other formatting, you can click on this arrow drop down and select other options. If you need to give your own custom format, then you can select custom format. Then the format cell dialog box will pop up. In this case, you can't change font and size. You can set font style, underline, color and strike through. Here I am selecting bold and color as white because I need to give white letter in green background. Click on the fill tab and select green as the background. You can also give borders if needed, then click on OK. So it has been changed as in the format we have given. Click on OK. So similar condition can be used for less than also. You can try it. Suppose we need to highlight marks between 20 and 45. In that case we will use between option. So lower limit will be 20 and upper limit will be 45. You can change format as previous, but I am keeping the default ones. Press OK. Now all the values between 20 and 45 got highlighted. Next one is equal to option. It can be used for highlighting specific value in the sheet. Suppose we need to highlight marks which are exactly 25. In that case, we need to select equals to and give the value as 25. Press OK. Then all the cells which have mark 25 will get highlighted. In all these four cases, we have taken number as example, but it can be used for letters or words also. Select the whole table. Click on greater than condition and give C. It will highlight all cells having values greater than C. Give BA. In this case, B1 will not be included since B1 is less than BA. Similarly, you can try for less than also. Now we can try for between option. We will give B as starting and D as ending. If you check here, all the values from B to D will get selected. Why DDD1 is not selected? Because value of DDD1 is greater than D. It does not satisfy our condition. Next option is text that contains. For that we will use another data. Here we have certain serial numbers, email address and validation. Suppose we need to highlight all the cells which contain email address with Yahoo. Then we can select the range, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, text that contains. Here we have to give Yahoo as the value. Then all the cells which have Yahoo as the email ID will get highlighted. This is applicable for all the type of values like alphabets, numbers, special characters, etc. Next we are going to check highlighting duplicated values. Here we are going to find whether there is any duplicate entry for serial number and email. For that, select the range. Click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. Here fgh@gmail.com is entered twice, hence it will get highlighted. Suppose I am making duplicate for one serial number 6582, then it will also get highlighted. Instead of duplicate, we can highlight unique values also. For that we have to follow the same procedure. Select the range first, go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. Here we have to click the arrow drop down and select unique. So all the values which does not have a duplicate will get highlighted. Next we are going to highlight dates. For that I have entered all the dates from September to December. Select the range. Now click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, a date occurring. Here in the drop down we will get this many options. If I select yesterday, it will highlight yesterday's date. So today is 18th, so it highlighted 17th. Suppose I need to highlight last month dates with red, this month date in yellow and next month dates in green. For that, select the range, click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, a date occurring. We need to select last month and the filter option is red. Press OK. So all the dates from last month got highlighted. Now I need to repeat the same thing for the next set of dates. So again click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, date occurring, click on this month, change the formatting to yellow, click on OK. Again do it for the next month. So all the dates in previous month got highlighted as red, this month as yellow and next month as green. This will work even if the date is in unordered manner. Suppose I am changing the date here, I am changing it to last month date. So last month is highlighted as red. Now we need to know how we can delete an applied rule. To clear rules from a specific cell or a range of cells, we need to select those range of cells. Then click on conditional formatting, clear rule. You have to select the option clear rule from selected cells. Then for that range the applied rule will get cleared. Suppose we need to clear rule from this entire sheet, then we can click on clear rules, clear rule from entire sheet. So all the rules in this sheet will get cleared. Clear rule from table and pivot table option is grayed out here because we don't have a table or a pivot table in this sheet. We will learn about other conditional formatting options in next video. I hope everyone understood the content of this video. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment box. If you like the video, please press like button, share the video and support. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, bye.